Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to EHW. This is the first ever contract signing, consisting of the 2 out of 3 table match, making it official for this is the contract signing. So coming out first is Ozone.
I'll admit it, I'll admit it. Watch your motherfucking tone, boy. Yeah, it hurt, boy. All here going on, motherfucker that don't understand the concept of putting money first, boy.
Champion of EHW.
Is that all you have to say, Ozone?
Just get my opponent out here.
Alright. His opponent will be Dreadhead.
I'm myself, cause these niggas yes man. Hey, bitch, I'm almighty Sosa bad man. Hey, no, I got my Smith and Wesson. Hey, that be my illegal weapon. Hey.
Alright, guys.
I'm gonna let you start. Since you got no holds barred.
Well, since this point you're gonna say you got some.
Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, I am the EHW television champion, as you see right here. This is the very first ever contract signed to make the match official at Demolition for the Undisputed Championship. Since I won the television championship, I promised the whole EHW universe that I will defend my title as well at Demolition. And you will defend your title as well. So that makes me officially. This match is already plain and simple and making it clear that I will be the very first ever to hold that and that at the same time, beating Dreadhead once and for all.
Get this. As you know, I'm gonna beat you at Demolition. You already knew it, cause I'm gonna show you whatever. There it is. I signed it. There you go. I'm not scared. That's showing you that. And I accept the challenge.
Surprised.
Mother.
Because, really, I had came out. Do you remember back at the 0-0 pre-match?
Yes, I remember that. I kicked your tail.
Before that, I came out. I remember you were so scared and nervous that you almost shaked out your little Lakers jersey. I remember what you had on, which is really weird because if you wear that Lakers jersey again to the Demolition, I will beat you at Demolition. I had to take a pause right there because I'm just imagining how brutally, how painfully I can beat you. And I will prove to the world once and for all I can beat the almighty Dreadhead.
Boy, right now, I will slap you across your face so bad I'll leave you take line like the Bruins.
Well, do it then. Cause I see him in them here. So I think you might want.
I'm a champion, so it doesn't even matter.
I'm a champion too.
You know, we're both champions, but it's only gonna be one champion at Demolition. We're gonna see who that is.
Well, 10 times out of 10.
You trying to hit me? I see your position right there. I got a belt too, but my belt is more painful. Ah!
Ooh, how about that? How about
Holy crap! Whoa!
that booty. Sit your tail down. Stay down. Now it's your turn to have your face to be planned into your own title and the desk. You come on.
Whoa!
Your turn.
Oh!
Oh my God.
Skittles! Did he just do what I think he did?
Yeah, I picked him up and I dropped his face on my head and it hurts. So it's going. Cut it all over.